Hi, this is Sam and welcome to Screen Hack Friday episode 7, where today we're going to talk about what works and what doesn't work when it comes to zoning your screens. When it comes to zoning your screen, it can be really tempting to cut your screen up into many different sections to try and get as much information up there at one time as you can. But some audiences can find this really confusing, particularly when you're displaying complex information like videos, metrics, or dashboards. So what are some of the things that we can do to maximize our zoning when using ScreenCloud? When you're showing a key piece of content, like a presentation, graph, or advertising, a great idea is to use your outer zone for more consumable media. This might be some news or some tweets. If you're showing a video in your main zone, you should never really be showing two videos at the same time. Instead, use your outer section to show news, simple text messaging, or maybe some social media. Your ticker tapes. That's the bit that often runs along the bottom or the middle of your screens, as well as your sidebars, often aren't the main focus of your screens. Some apps that might work well in these sections are weather, social media, RSS feeds, or maybe even reviews. It's also a good idea to limit the number of zones that you're using on your screen. Any more than 3 and your messaging becomes noisy and you risk not getting your message across. That's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for more Screen Hack Friday episodes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.